Hi everybody, this is a repair video over the Lasko My Heat. So what I was having happen was I turned it on, the light would go on, but there would be no heat and the fan wouldn't run either. So what I did was I opened it up. So there's 5 screws here at the back. They use this special star pattern, which I found was, I used a bit. It's the T15H bit, and these 4 I was able to undo using my screwdriver. The one at the bottom here I had to drill it out first because it was too narrow for my screwdriver to fit. And when you open it up, so it's quite dusty inside, and there's 4 long screws, just Phillips screw heads, holding this fan down. And I opened it up, and it's cleaned out now, but there was a lot of dust and debris. So I cleaned that all out, and basically what I think was happening was the fan couldn't spin because of it, and then once you cleaned it all out, the fan was able to spin. And the heater, I think, has a built-in safety mechanism, so if the fan can't spin, then the heater doesn't turn on. So then once I cleaned everything out and tried it out, and it worked. So hopefully this fixes your problem. Okay, thanks.